Happy 2018 everyone! Hi guys! Today I have a Valentine's Day makeup look for you all. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I wanted to do something different. I guess this is different. I have never ever put pink eyeshadow in my eyes, but I'm really liking this look actually. So if you like to know how I create this look, then please continue watching. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Sarah. This is Beautymate Shara. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you being here. If you find my work interesting, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell right next to it. That way you will be notified every time I post a new video. And with that, let's get started with today's video. So I've already done my base just to make this video a little shorter. So I will tell you guys what I've used to do my base. So for the foundation, I have used this foundation from Blue Heaven. This is the Florina foundation. This is quite a new foundation to me. I have used quite a bit and I really like this one. I don't know what shade I am. I'll put it in the description box below. And this is really inexpensive. And to hide my dark circles, I have used, of course, my trusted Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. This is just to make the dark circles disappear. And after that, I have used a loose powder to set the concealer, and this is the loose powder. This is the Rimmel Match Perfect Silky Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent. I really love this because this does not give any flashback. And after that, I've used a compact powder to set the rest of my face and the eyelid area, and for that I've used this one, and this is from Maybelline, and this is the white super fresh compact powder in the shade Shell. So that's that. Those are the products I've used to done my base. Okay, so for my top lash line, I'll do a very simple nice wing, and to do that I'm going to use this liner. This is from Blue Heaven. This is a normal liquid liner, long wear, smudge proof, waterproof, and this is really nice and really affordable. You can get it anywhere in the market and I really like this. So this is my wing, and to make this a little prominent and black, I'm going to use a black shadow and smudge this.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this to us.
So this is the wing. I really like how long and thick it is.
Yes, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mister. Yes, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
lips today, I want to do something pinky nude, and for that I want to mix these three shades. And this is the 95 matte mousse from Lacquer in the shade Coffee Light, and these two are from Rimmel. These are their Apocalips in the shade. This is the shade Celestial, and this is the shade Nude Eclipse. I apologize for the background thing. My LED wasn't working and I recorded the whole lipstick part and then realized my LED isn't working. Wow. Alright guys, this is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I am really liking this pink lower lash line thing. Let me know what do you think. And you can wear it with a black or all white outfit. I am wearing it with a full black outfit and it has some pink in it, so this is looking really nice together. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Whether you have somebody or not, don't forget to love yourself, treat yourself, because you deserve it. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.